Hi guys, this is Karthik. In this video, I will show you how to show Facebook Audience Network native ads inside Recycler view. It is very simple. You need to add a few lines to your existing project. That's it. Just follow the video carefully. Here I have a project with the Recycler view. You can see the emulator here. It is showing the Recycler view with some images and a title. Okay. Okay, for some differentiation I will increase some size here and we'll run it again. So you can see the items. So you can see items here now. So we will add a native ad between these items. For this, what you have to do is you go to your manifest file and you have to give an internet permission here. And this project is a simple recycler view, just with a cell with two items, image view and a text view, and we have an adapter here, okay, which load data from these array lists. Okay, so what you have to do is you have provided with a download link in the description of this video. If you go there, you will reach this page, and you can see here an option download here. Okay, native adapter zip file download here. You have to download this one. Next thing is, this method only works in Android 3.1.4 or below versions of the Android Studio. I am talking about the Android Studio version. Okay, for checking your Android Studio version, just go to help and select about. You can see your version here. Okay, make sure your Android Studio version is 3.1.4 or older. Don't go with the latest Android Studio version, it will not work. If you try, you will get some errors. If you have any solution for that, just let me know through comments so that I can update the video with that solution. Okay, just download this one, click here. Okay, you will reach to this page. You just enter this code 8668. You will get whatever at the time. Enter this captcha here and just select create download link. You get a download link. You can download that. I already downloaded it. Okay, here it is. It is zip file. Just right click and select extract here with WinRAR. Don't select extract files. Okay, select extract here. You will get a folder down extracted. Okay, now extraction is completed. Just copy this one, and this folder what you are seeing in the right side is my project folder. I'm just in the root folder of my project. Just paste it here. Okay, after pasting it, just open your Android Studio and go to settings.gradle here. You can see if it is minimized like this, just expand it and select settings.gradle. Okay, then give a comma here, single quotes, single inverted commas, inside that colon audience hyphen, or if you misspell this, the whole thing will be gone. For that, you just copy this folder name and paste it here. Okay, after that, go to the Gradle, that is this one, build.gradle module app, and here you add a line, compile project, braces, single inverted commas, colon, and paste the folder name again here. Okay, after this what you have to do, you have to select sync now, and we will wait until this project is synced perfectly. Okay, now my project is synced successfully. You can see here Gradle build finished. Okay, after finishing this building process, you can see this another one here, audience network adapter. So if you see this and no errors, everything is fine. Okay, and make sure that your minimum SDK version is 16. Okay, so we have done the major part, so we will do the finishing thing. In the string we have to add one more line, fb underscore native. We have to add a one string and with id, that is your native add id, and whatever the thing I have pasted here is for showing the test ad. Okay, if you add this line in front of your id, you will get a test ads from Facebook. And if you don't know how to get these native ad IDs, you please my watch previous video which I have made already about setting up the audience network account. I will give the link in the description. Okay, after pasting this thing, this string here with Facebook ad, that is Facebook audience network native ad, just go to your main activity, that is wherever the recycler view is there. Okay, here we have set the adapter. Okay, right, after setting the adapter, you have to call the Facebook native adapter. You can give any name, variable name. FB native adapter dot builder dot with we have to call the string get resources dot get string r dot string dot fb native. Okay, then you have to give a comma here and add your original adapter. Okay, your recycler view adapter. Then you have to add one dot add item interval. This is after every how many items you want to show this native ad. Suppose if I want to show every fourth item or every second item. Okay, so let me see, go with fourth item, then enter dot build. That's it. So now we have created the Facebook adapter here, native ad adapter. Now we have in the recycler view we have called previously this RV adapter. As we have passed this one here, we have to replace this with FB adapter. Okay, see, let's see, now we will run the code and see whether it works or not. Okay, now it is launching. So we have set for fourth item, right? So the recycler usually counts in Java, it counting start from 0, right? 0 1 2 3. You can see here, you can see the native ad here. Okay, so after every fourth item 0, that is okay, from 1 2 3 4, now fifth item is the native ad. So again 1 2 3 4, then fifth item is the native ad. So like that it goes on. Okay, if the items of the recycler increases, every fifth item, that is after every fourth item, the fifth item will be the Facebook audience network ad, that is native ad. Okay, this is how we can add Facebook ads, that is Facebook audience network native ads in Android Recycler view. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos and you learn something from my videos about Android development. If you really appreciate my work, do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.